Kensington docking stations sometimes struggle with dual monitors due to several common reasons. These include outdated graphics drivers, incorrect display settings, faulty HDMI or DisplayPort cables, insufficient power delivery from the USB-C port, or outdated dock firmware. Hardware compatibility issues between the dock, laptop, and monitors are also factors. This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing these issues. To begin troubleshooting dual monitor issues, check the physical connections and basic settings. Ensure all cables are securely connected to both the docking station and your monitors. Try reseating the cables by unplugging and replugging them firmly. Verify that your monitors are powered on and set to the correct input source. In Windows or Mac OS display settings, ensure both monitors are detected and enabled. Select Extend to use them as separate displays. HDMI problems often arise from signal degradation over long distances. Try using shorter, higher quality HDMI cables to maintain signal integrity. For DisplayPort, ensure your dock and monitors support DisplayPort alternate mode over USB-C, which allows video signals through the USB-C cable. Experiment with different resolutions and refresh rates. High settings like 4K at 60 Hz can be problematic due to bandwidth limitations, so try lower resolutions like 1080p to isolate the issue. Users on Tom's hardware fixed issues by switching from HDMI to DisplayPort after HDMI failure, often resolving signal degradation problems. Insufficient USB-C power delivery can limit monitor support. Ensure your laptop's USB-C port provides enough power, at least 65 watts, to handle dual monitors. Check your charger specifications. Some docks require a separate power adapter in addition to the laptop's USB-C connection to provide adequate power. Confirm that your laptop's USB-C port supports DisplayPort or Thunderbolt functionality for video output to multiple monitors. A MacBook Pro M3 setup fixed dual monitor issues by disabling macOS's Optimize Video Output feature in system settings. If basic steps fail, check your BIOS settings. Ensure PCIe tunneling is enabled for the USB-C port to allow proper signal transmission. Consider using third-party tools like DisplayLink software if your dock uses non-native ports. This can help with compatibility and signal handling. For MacBook users, a firmware reset on the SD5700T dock has helped enable stable 4K HDMI output in some cases. Certain Kensington docking station models have known issues that can affect dual monitor setups. Let's examine some common problems and how to address them. For example, older Kensington models with micro USB charging ports are prone to corrosion. This corrosion can cause intermittent HDMI signal drops, disrupting your dual monitor display. Additionally, reported issues with Windows 11 updates can alter display driver interactions, leading to compatibility problems with Kensington docks. This often manifests as monitors not being detected or resolution errors. To address these issues, check for any recalls or known problems specific to your dock model on Kensington's website. Also, monitor online forums for community-driven solutions, as users often share workarounds for these compatibility challenges. Docking station technology is evolving towards universal USB-C hubs with AI-driven diagnostics. Expect AI-assisted tools that automatically update firmware and diagnose issues, potentially halving resolution times. Future docks may include built-in upscaling chips for 8K displays. Keep an eye out for these advancements that will simplify multi-monitor setups.